We have a problem. May problema kami.
Today is a very different day for me. Papunta po tayo sa De La Salle University Araneta. Huh? What? Miss Ems messaged me sa Messenger to be their guest speaker for today. For today.
So, it's happening.
Oh, saan yun? Yung isa lang yun ang
Pakita ko lang. Oh, di ba? Minamodel pa ni.
Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so today is a very different day for me. Papunta po tayo sa De La Salle University Araneta. Huh? What? I'm on my way sa De La Salle Araneta University in Malabon. Miss Ems messaged me sa Messenger to be their guest speaker for today. If you know me, I don't really like speaking. I don't really like talking to like maraming tao. Kasi sa mga weaknesses ko, marami, pero yun isa sa mga talagang grabe. Nahihiya pa rin ako until now, and I think bilang bulol ako at mabilis ako magsalita, so parang feeling ko talaga hindi ako dapat magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao. Anyway, because of the things that happened past few weeks, I think Miss Ems messaged me because they think or they can see. So parang siguro na nakita nila na my story inspired them actually, parang ganun. See what will happen. I'm gonna share to them whatever things that I'm. Yun yun? Ha? Okay, so biyahe muna tayo and bye. Hi guys, so dumating na pa ako sa school. So mamaya na ulit yung kwento. Kasi kilala na ako. So thank you, bye. So thank you guys for listening to whatever. So thank you. Bye. Hi, so intense to para sa akin. So I'm done with speaking. Tapos na po ako doon sa school sa De La Salle. Thank you so much sa De La Salle Araneta University. Thank you Miss Ems for inviting me again to be your guest speaker. At ang mga estudyante na nakinig sa akin, sana meron ko natutunan. I hope so. At sana makabalik at thank you again for considering me, and thank you for this opportunity para makapag salita. So yun lang guys, I'm on my way home. And bye.
Hello, teacher.
Last rodeo written on my back window. I've never tried this before. I met you. Here we go into the wild and unknown. You seem to shift what I thought that I knew. You want to go up? Kaleidoscope, both of us changing our pattern with every spin. Kaleidoscope, glass bits and pieces from planets that I've never been. I am fixated on every new shape you're making. Turn brass ring here and there.
Ano sa po galing landmark?
Saglit lang ako kasi nga ito padala ko na to.
Yama.
Up, baby.
Koki, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Ay! Oh! That's yours? Is that yours? They're mine, sabi niya. I'll give daddy. Share to daddy. It's happening. I'm gonna let down my hair. Para naman hindi ganun ka laking sabi ni Mommy in the last vlog, yung itsura ko parang 4 cheese pizza. Sabi ni Mommy yung sa last vlog, yung mukha ko parang 4 cheese pizza. Bilog, tapos yung puti. It's finally happening. We are moving things in as a house. We've been moving things in, pero today is gonna be a drastic move-in kasi we're bringing bulky things. Mark came from a script reading for an indie film that's going to be in Netflix soon. Abangan niyo yan. I'm very proud of him for that. And then, after script reading, he went straight to Casa Corky site to get the boys kasi they're gonna help us carry things into the truck, into Mark's truck, yung si Blackie, and pick up. And then, we're gonna go to the site. So, ang goal is to carry the massage chair, Corky's car, yung toaster oven, and boxes na. Oh, and a few more boxes. So, ang mahirap dyan, guys, yung massage chair. This massage chair is gonna go straight to our master's bedroom. Kasi si Mark may back problems na. And we found out that mas hirap si Mark matulog pag nakahiga ng matagal. We found out that it's more helpful for his back na nakatulog. Natulog siya ng nakaupo. And now, minsan ako dyan kasi hindi siya talaga nakakapagpahinga ng maayos kahit antok na antok siya. Kasi he's afraid of sleeping long. Kasi when he does, once he wakes up, sakit na ng likod niya. So, he really cannot sleep long laying down. But, he can sleep long sitting up. You know, yan, yung ganyan, yung ganyan, yung massage chair na yan. So, actually, kahit hindi mo paandarin yan, makakatulog si Mark ng sobrang ayos. Yes, what's that? That's Daddy's chair! Then, we're also gonna pack Corky's car. Isang mabigat din yon, pero we're really stressed about this massage chair because this is gonna go on the second floor and we don't even know if it's gonna fit sa door. Kialis dyan. Koki.
Rap, late ka na uuwi ngayon, Rap. Ano sa isla?
Wala akong naghanap sa kanya.
Ganito talaga sumagot si Ola.
Walang naghanap sa kanya. Kasi sanay na siya.
Akit niya sa itaas pag ano na. Hindi naman ngayon, pagka ano. Kasi mabigat. Koki, alis. Ay, hindi na dyan pwede. Dito ka muna. Siya dyan palabas.
Ay, ano pa?
Mababa mo na lang. Gulong-gulong.
Ayaw, ano pa siya? Ay, yan.
Kaya. Dadalan lang. Hila na. Tatak na.
Di naman siguro ulan, no? Di kaya lagyan natin ng cover?
Kotse yan. Wow. Sulit pala yung sasakyan ni ano eh. No?
Diba?
Kaya tagilan natin lang dito. Ha?
Bak. Right. Ayun, okay.
Ha? Kotse? Preno mo muna. Bro, tama ba wala lang. Ano naman yan? Oh.
Cookie! Cookie! Naka-follow the leader pa siya eh. Okay.
Simpa natin isa, pare. Para isa yung company ko.
Ma, may tali tayo. Tali. Oo. Sa kotse ni Corky, nasa edge na kasi.
Saan yung tayo niya, no? Umalit? Kasa to dun eh.
Wala po na. Hindi pa na i-take mo din.
Para kasa doon sa maliit. Doon sa ano.
Kasya yan eh. Sayang yung space.
Oo, excuse.
Di naman siguro gulong-gulong yan, no? Wrap yung kotse.
Pag walang tali, dahil may isa ng tao dito. Hawak lang, hawakan lang naman yung
Oo. Obviously, puro ako supervising. I cannot carry a thing. Bawal talaga for me.
Ito yung hindi ito.
Ito.
Pang kitchen yan eh, no?
Ito, Alan. Pwede na siguro sa may upuan yan.
Okay. Nasa ibabaw, pwede ka to.
Ay, baka naman mahulog.
Yeah.
Ay, yun na. Kaya na. Nakikita niya siya. Oh. Tapos
Ito, anak.
Oo nga.
parang excursion lang tayo.
Excursion lang.
Sabi ni Tito Dorian. Galing ko mga.
No problem.
Ha? You gonna vlog?
Second yan. Oh, saan yun? Yung isa lang yun ang building at saka dapat isang pintana at saka kaya namatay mo. Doon ang nakikita yun.
Kasi i-layout namin yan dapat ng perfect sa bahay. Kasi ba?
Oo, ganda. This is
Oo. Ito, anak.
Oo.
Diba? Ayun din, anak.
Yan, ganda rin yan. So, we want to make this like an accent wall. Tapos yung mga main tiles.
Oh, ito.
Ito, maganda.
Ito, no?
Oo. Magmamatch doon.
Lagyan na natin ito.
Ayan o, ganda o. Wow! Baka naman mas maganda na yan sa powder room.
O, pwede ba? Ito pwede, di ba? Accent lang.
Oo.
Sa may...
Ganda o. Match.
Sa may... Kahit sa bandang shower lang.
Oo. Her pool is green. It's color green. Hi guys. We're home. We're home. almost home. A lot of our things are here. Nasa bahay. And we have a problem. May problema kami. But, nagkaroon naman ng solusyon and inaayos na ngayon. Here's the thing. The problem is our pump right there. You see there? So we tested out the pool. Diba? And it's half empty na. Pero there was a time, like 2 weeks ago, puno yan. Kasi nag-testing kami ng mga ilaw. And yung mga pump, sadly, yung pump dyan, hindi umaakyat yung tubig. It's not working. And unang-una, we asked engineers and even our engineer and our architect and our whole team. May mga bahay and may mga resort na ang mga pump nasa taas. So it's possible and it's actually, and people really do elevated pumps. The traditional way, the normal way, and the safe way is to have it obviously right next to the pool. Honestly guys, we don't want to point fingers at anybody. It's everyone's fault. It's my fault, Mark's, my parents and the team. We're not at this point na magpo-point ka ng finger kung sino may kasalanan, hindi. Kasi we all were here, we were watching everything and we were guiding every procedure na ginagawa and it just slipped into our minds. Hindi namin nakita, hindi namin na-realize na it might have been a problem pala. But we did do further research before, nung nag-decide kami na dyan ilagay, na kaya naman siya talaga. Pero I think it requires more horsepower na pump, I think, and specific tubes na wala kami. And pwede naman yun bilhin, pero kasi mas mapapamahal kami. Mahal din sa kuryente yun. This pump kasi is more easier on the budget in terms of purchasing the pump and maintaining a Maynilad bill. Originally kasi talaga sa plano, ito. Yan, this is where the pump is supposed to be. We made that into a CR, diba? Pero, now, na hindi naman talaga kayang umakyat yung tubig dyan sa pump na yan, what we're gonna do is, she's gonna be switched down there. And that's gonna be her little room. May narinig kayong parang mga drills and nag-drill na sila. Yan, you can hear it, right? Nag-ano na sila ng tubo para dyan na dumaan yung pump. Which is actually really easy. Yan, dadaan lang siya dyan. Nandiyan na siya pwesto. Ano siya, alam mo, naging blessing in disguise siya. Kasi parang, di na siya magiging CR. Pump room na talaga. And maluwag pa yung pwestong yun. Kasi, nandun na yung pump, secured siya from the rain, it's covered. And then at the same time, marami pa kaming space to actually put pool things and backyard things. Katulad nung, inisip namin yan na ganda rin pang storage yung chlorine, yung mga floaties ni Corky, yung mga pambomba, mga pang-gardening, yung mga fish aquariums ni Mark na materials. Naging mas madali siya. Parang natuwa pa nga kami, nagkaroon pa kami ng more storage. Kasi the room, the whole room here, yung itong pump room na maluwag pa, kahit nandyan na yung pump. And you guys are probably wondering, yung nasa loob ng CR nun, paano na yun? Well, we're gonna keep the tiles of the walls in place. Hindi naman yun masisira. Yung toilet bowl, yung showers, and the sink are all gonna be switched to the maid's room. And the maid's room is going to be the official exterior bathrooms na lang. Kanina, kaya kami nag-Wilcon kasi we're gonna change the tiles of the maid's room. We're gonna make it really pretty. Still a CR for guests. And then, syempre, doon na rin pwede rin mag-CR na rin yung mga maids, obviously. And I'll show you. Kasi even if you're here, outside, then, yun na, dyan yung pool, it's still accessible na mag-CR doon. So, this is where the pump will be. And yun, nakita niyo na nalibad na nga yung mga ibang mga ibang choo-choo. But yeah. Where the pump will be, then we're gonna add shelves na lang for extra storage. And then of course here, this is the official pump room na napaka-saucy. Wala guys, ganun talaga. We're really happy naman with what happened. Parang it was like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. And at least dito, mas safe long term yung desisyon namin na ililipat yung pump dyan sa baba. At least, wala na kaming iniisip na baka masira ulit or something, magkaroon ng problema. Maganda nang ayusin agad yung mga nakitang problema or yung mga may kitang problema na maging problema in the next 10 years or 5 years. It's good that we prevented that as much as possible habang nandito pa yung mga workers, yung mga team namin nandito pa. Don't go bashing and don't go blaming ever because there is no perfect house. There is no perfect contractor, architect, engineer. There will always be mistakes and things that you'll always run into a mistake, an error. Always happens, guys. Don't ever blame yourselves. Don't blame the team. Everything that you're trying to handle, everything you're trying to budget, different areas of the house, all of that, it is very difficult to try and juggle everything and keep your mind on this and that and all of that. It all just jumbles up together. Talagang may nangyayaring ganito, and the best way to really solve it is early prevention. Spot it as soon as possible. When you're in the finishing stages of your house, double check everything and make your site visits every day if you can. Not every day, thrice a week. The best 4 times a week. Kami, when we were at the finishing stages, talagang, my gosh, I think almost every day pinupunta na namin yung site. And then ayun na nga, nakita namin. And then test every single thing you can with the house. And it's even good if you happen to come across rain or a bagyo na nasa finishing stage yung bahay. Observe everything, if there's any leaks, if there's anything squeaking in electrics or in the water, lahat. Check nyo talaga lahat and really practice living in here because you will really come across small little mistakes that can make a big impact later on when you start living in your house. And we want to prevent that. And it's a good thing, guys. Ang pinaka-blessing lang dito is maliit lang yung nagastos namin. Halos super konti lang. Tiles lang talaga ang binili namin. And we're just paying extra labor for them to add the new tiles to the maid CR and to switch all the toilet and the shower enclosures here. It's not really that hard and the tiles weren't that expensive, so it's all wins. You know, we're really happy and we're really satisfied with what happened, and mas masaya nga kami ngayon kasi nagkaroon nga kami ng pwesto, like parang pump room, mini storage room. Kasi before, nung hindi pa namin na-come across itong problemang to, matagal na namin iniisip na saan itatago yung mga gardening supplies, mga pool supplies. Pool supplies are a lot. There's chlorine, all those formulas, there's a vacuum, and then there are nets that you have to clean the pool with, yung para isalo yung mga dumi. Si Mark, well, yung mga aquariums niya, di ba, maraming chuchu-chuchu yun, scary heras. By the way, guys, wala pala si Mark. He is at Sammy's, and then magsasambuanga siya. He's gone for the next 3 to 4 days, and he'll be back this Saturday. So, kami muna ang in charge dito na ma-check kung talagang okay na talaga lahat. So far, everything is smooth sailing. It's really important that this pool comes up and running, na malinis na, and first and foremost, gumana yung pump niya and filter niya. If you ever come across this stage where you see a big mistake, relax, don't panic, don't stress about it. Relax, take deep breaths. Don't ever make decisions when you're high in emotions, when you're stressed, when you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you're trying to figure out the budget. Take a deep breath and know and always think to yourself, there's always gonna be a solution for everything. Lahat madadaan sa magandang usapan, sa pakikiusap. Relax lang kayo, maayos din yung problemang yan. That's one thing I've learned with all the trials of building a house. Never ever let your emotions get over your head. Always relax and take deep breaths and know that everything has a solution. Everything does have a solution. Kahit marami pang mali yan, maraming solusyon yan. Huwag ka lang mag-panic and huwag ka lang ma-stress or anxiety. And don't give up talaga. Like this. Like, I was panicking, honestly, nung nalaman ko na yung pump ililipat sa pump room because it was in my head na nakafocus na kaming lahat. Na CR na yan. But it's okay kasi may CR naman talaga. There's 2 CRs available here in the Lanai and 38 working areas. So I think one is enough since we won't really have much visitors here in the house. You know, it's just really gonna be us. You know, we're still thinking about what we're gonna do with that, but it's clearly empty na. Be an extra storage room in the future. You can put a lot of things there. It's pretty big, guys. If you actually are there in the area, it looks small here, but when you're there, it's spacious. All is well. All is well. I was so stressed the past few days. And then I even asked Mark and Mommy, can I say this in the vlog? They're like, you know what? Sabihin mo na pag inaayos na. So, ayun, ito na. May solution na siya. Guys, that's Mark's little working area office na request niya kay Mang Boy na gawin. Diyan siya mag-work, magkukalikot-kalikot ng mga gamit when he's outside here. And I'll show you now. Table siya. Tapos, ayan. Kuya, pahila naman. Pakita ko lang. Yan, oh. May wheels yung upuan niya. It's a hidden chair. Oh, di ba? May na-model pa niya. Yan. Tapos, pakita natin yung cabinet. There are hidden cabinets dyan. So, pwede ka pa magtago ng gamit. Yan. It's really spacious. Yan. Galing, galing, galing.